The garage started as a carriage house, a shed for horses and wagons. As cars arrived in the early 1900s, garages moved closer to the home, and by the 1950s, the garage door became a defining feature of the suburban facade. Automatic openers, introduced mid-century, turned the garage into a symbol of convenience, and over time, the garage itself evolved into a workshop, storage hub, and even a launchpad for startups like Apple and Amazon. But garages haven't just been for cars and tech companies. Over time, those wide garage doors opened the way to creativity. Literally. In the 1970s and 80s, hobbyists began turning garages into home workshops and even mini breweries. The rolling doors provided perfect ventilation, easy access for equipment, and a way to welcome neighbors in for a taste. Today, craft beer culture still owes part of its roots to the garage, where countless brewers perfected their first batches right behind those doors. Even the most ordinary doors can open opportunity, and when spaces adapt beyond their original purpose, they shape how we live and how homes build value. If this sparked your curiosity, follow us for more surprising stories behind the walls of your home.